Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. Welcome to my class. This is grade 5th math. In today's video, we learn the topic comparing and ordering fractions. Okay, this is page number 65. Okay, comparing like fractions. When the denominator are the same, it is easy to compare. We compare the numerators only. Example 1. So here how we can compare the like fraction? When the denominator are the same, it is easy to compare. Okay, we compare the denominators only. Here is the example. Complete the given equivalent fraction and compare them. So here 1 by 3 equals to, here is one empty box by 9 and empty box by 3 equals to 6 by 9. Okay, here is the solution. For getting equivalent fraction, multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay, so what we have to do for getting equivalent fraction, what we have to do, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay, so this is the numerator and this is the denominator. Okay, so see here 1 by 3 into 3 by 3. So what we have to do, we have to multiply the same numerator as well as same denominator. Okay, so 1 into 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So here 3 by 9. Next 2 by 3 into again 3 by 3. So for getting equivalent fraction, we are multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same number. So 3 by 3. In numerator also 3 as well as in denominator also 3. So 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay. So 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Here the denominators are the same. 3 by 9, 6 by 9. 3 by 9, 6 by 9. So here denominator are the same. The numerators are 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 are numerator, where 3 less than 6. See here 3 less than 6. So this is less than symbol. So 3 less than 6. So 3 by 9 less than 6 by 9. Okay. So 3 by 9 less than 6 by 9. So this is comparing like fraction. Okay. For getting equivalent fraction, multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. So 3 3 numerator as well as denominator. So 1 into 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Next 2 by 3 into 3 by 3. So 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Here the denominator are same. 3 by 9, 6 by 9. So 3 by 9, 6 by 9. Denominator both 9 is there. So they both are same. To page number 66. Our next topic is comparing unlike fractions. Okay, when the denominators are different, we compare the fraction in two ways. Okay, so here when the denominators are different, we compare the fractions in two ways. First way, we can compare by cross multiplication. The side which has the bigger product has the bigger fraction. Okay, first is what, when we compare, we can compare by cross multiplication. The side which has the bigger product has the bigger fraction. Here is the example. Okay, so this is example 2. Previously for like fraction we did example 1. So this is example 2. Compare the fractions 3 by 5 and 7 by 2. We cross multiply the two fractions. Okay, so 3 by 5, 7 by 2. Okay, so cross multiplication 3 into 2, 5 into 7. Okay, so 3 2s are 6, 5 7s are 35. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 5 7s are 35. This is cross product. 3 into 2, 5 into 7. Okay, as 6 less than 35, therefore 3 by 5 less than 7 by 2. Yes, 6 less than 35. So therefore 3 by 5 less than 7 by 2. Next, second one, we can compare unlike fractions by converting them into like fraction. Okay, so this is the second way. Okay, we can compare unlike fractions by converting them into like fraction. Example 3, compare the fractions 5 by 6 and 2 by 3. solution. By converting given fractions into the like fractions, we get, okay. So what we are comparing here? We are comparing the fraction 5 by 6 and 2 by 3. So by converting given fractions into like fraction, we get, okay, 5 by 6 equals to 5 by 6 into 1 by 1, okay. So what we are doing here? By converting given fraction into like fractions, okay. So 5 by 6, okay, into 1 by 1 equals to 5 ones are 5, 6 ones are 6. Okay, next 2 by 3 equals to 2 by 3 into 2 by 2. Okay, here we are considering numerator and denominator same, 1 by 1. Okay, so 5 ones are 5, 6 ones are 6. So 5 by 6. Next, what we are doing here? We are converting given fraction into like fraction. 2 by 3 into 2 by 2. Numerator 2, denominator also 2. So 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. 4 by 6. Comparing the numerators, we find 5 greater than 4. Okay, here 5 greater than 4. So therefore 5 by 6 greater than 4 by 6 or 5 by 6 greater than 2 by 3. The LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. Okay, here LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. So here 5 by 6 greater than 4 by 6 or 5 by 6 greater than 2 by 3. Okay, on comparing the numerators, we find 5 greater than 4. So 5 by 6 greater than 4 by 6 or 5 by 6 greater than 2 by 3. Okay, so we compare unlike fraction by converting them into like fraction. Okay, next example 4. Arrange the following fractions into ascending and descending orders. Okay, so 2 by 3 comma 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Step 1, solution. Find the LCM of the denominators by the division method. So what we have to do? We have to find the LCM of the denominators. Here denominator are 3, 4, 6. Okay, so 3, 4, 6. Let us take 2 table. Okay, 2, 3 will be as it is. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Again 2. 3 will be as it is. 2 1s are 2. 3 will be as it is. Next 3 1s are 3. 1 will be as it is. 3 1s are 3. Okay. Therefore LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay. This is step 1. Next step 2. Write the equivalent fractions. Okay. Again what we have to do? We have to write the equivalent fractions. In order to write the equivalent fraction, what we have to do? We have to give the same number as numerator and denominator. So 2 by 3 into 4 by 4. Okay, 2 by 3 into 4 by 4. So 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. Comma 3 by 4 into 3 by 3. Numerator and denominator same. So 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Next 5 by 6 into 2 by 2. So same numerator and denominator. 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. Okay. Next step 3. Page number 67. Compare the numerators and write the fractions in order. So therefore 8 by 12 less than 9 by 12 less than 10 by 12. So 2 by 3 less than 3 by 4 less than 5 by 6. So in ascending order 2 by 3 comma 3 by 4 comma 5 by 6. Okay, in descending order 5 by 6 comma 3 by 4 comma 2 by 3. Okay, so this is the arranging the fraction into ascending as well as descending order. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. In the next class I will be starting your exercise 4.1. Thank you.